I'm using sample of 94, so you can choose the same thing in your own. Once I mix this, you will see how effective it's going to be. Let's play. So this is how hi-hat sounds like. If I don't use all of them, that's good. If I use all of them, that's fine. So kick doesn't matter. It depends on how you want your kick to go like. Ah. Ìyàwó mi ye give me love my car carry you. So in this time, let us hear how hi-hat and the kick and the thumb gonna sound. Fine boy, need money, fine boy. Fine boy, now money, fine boy. I am going to fire catapult to just to make that money. In this time, I'm going to make my snare to sound the same with a hi-hat. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this snare. I'm going to do it the same as I just to make my money. I'm going to need money. Let me put this tempo in 100. I am going to buy. Fine boy need money, fine boy. Fine boy now money, fine boy. Fine boy, yeah, fine boy, yeah. I am going to buy a catapult to just to make that money. I'm going to use this snare that I choose now. I mean this thumb. Fine boy need money, fine boy. Fine boy now money, fine boy. I am going to fire catapult to just to make that money. Fine boy now money, fine boy. Fine boy now money, fine boy. I am going to fire catapult to just to make that money. Fine boy, fine boy. I'm going to delete this one now. It's not among. So this is how I arrange my song, my afrobeat. This is how I arrange my afrobeat. It is all about, five, it is five channel now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you love the beat. So please subscribe. Next time I'm going to show you how to add chord on it. If you want to play it in a minor or major, if you want your song to go minor or major, I'm going to show you how to do that next time. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Yo man.